been a while since I've done Pokemon cards. Today we're opening Champion's Path. We've got, let me just take the packets out. This bit's boring. Wait. So right off the bat we get Hammerlock City pin. We get a hollow Duraludon. Focus. It's this promo. And we've got 3 packets. 1, 2, and 3. So let's move that to the side. We'll keep the pin there. Oh, here's the code card for you all. Alright, I'll move this all to the side. And let's get stuck into this. Alright. There's a code card. 1, 2, 3, 4. It doesn't feel anything good. Probably hollow. Psychic Energy, Hattrem, Victini, Turffield Stadium, Rockruff, Vulpix, Galarian Zigzagoon, Machop, Swablu, Reverse Hollow Vulpix, and oh, I didn't feel you. Oh, haha, All Creamy V. Let's go. Have you sitting there, and then we'll leave Obstagoon to the last. In my last Pokemon card video, I forgot to give you all the code card. There's another one. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, it's probably another B. Psychic Energy again. Rodon Bike. Let's get one. Machoke, Team Yell Grunt, Galarian Lanoon, Weedle, Atkins, Carvana, Pokeball, Team Yell Grunt, and Hollow Marnie. Alright, we'll stick you to the side. And our last pack, kind of a short opening today, but yeah, this costs money. Just saying, this costs a lot of money for me. Right, so there's a code card. Oh, forgot to do 1, 2, 3, 4. Grass Energy, Hop, Arbok, Sharpedo, Inkay, Nickit, Hatina, Sizzlipede, Nickit. Is that reverse hollow? No. Machamp reverse hollow. And oh no! Way! No way! Oh my god! You know how much this is worth? You know how much this is worth? Oh my god! Oh my god! I'm about to have a heart attack. Oh my god! Oh my god! Here, let me do something real quick. I've got a box here. These are all like my pulls. Dragonite EX. Naganadel GX. Salamence V, Butterfrats VMAX, Eternatus VMAX. See, I wasn't lying. Oleana VMAX. No, VMAX? Boss's Orders and Celebi Amazing Rare. But, oh my god, is this even real? Is this real? I'm gonna have to end it here. I'm going to have to end it here. 2 main pulls today. But this is a big one. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Leave a like. Subscribe below the video. Please do this for more Pokemon cards. If you want to see more openings, then hit the subscribe button and the like button. Also, this is kind of cool. But yeah, I'm going to end it here. I'll see you soon, probably tomorrow, because there's a community day on Pokemon Go. And I might have a bit of face cam. I don't know. But yeah, like, subscribe, bye!